So guys, back at the shop again. It's a pretty busy time for me because the new shop is actually all up and running already. So I have the key, I have some stuff over there, I have put on some lighting. The two-post lift is actually being installed on Thursday. It's now Tuesday. So everything is just going very fast. The 240 station that I still own is at a storage spot like I told you guys before. It's gonna stay there. I don't have room for that car in my new shop. So yes, my new shop is not super big, but it's an extra floor, so it's very much bigger than this is. Before we can move the Amazon, it needs to be in primer. The bad thing is that it's not nearly done for primer. So what we need to do is actually get the full inside of the car ready for primer as soon as possible. I rather paint this thing in the evening or just through the week than in the weekends when I'm here fully, because I need this thing to be done ASAP. So guys, look at the car inside, the roof, all the insulation stuff is just gone. I need to of course clean this up. I don't know how yet, but that's a problem for another day. So guys, just a quick rundown on what happened yesterday. I turned my shop into a little bit of a spray booth, and I tried to spray the engine compartment and the inside of the car. Engine compartment is sprayed, but it's not nearly how I wanted it to be. The other thing that happened is both my spray guns are broken and don't work, so that's also not a good thing. This morning I was in a new shop. That's all coming together nicely, but the thing I also heard just 2 hours ago is that the owner of this shop is actually coming on Thursday with a potential new renter. So that means I need to get moving and I need to get this shop clean as possible. So yeah, that renter accepted this shop and wants to go into here, because that will mean that I can quit here a month early, and that's of course very nice. Yeah, the engine bay looks pretty decent, except when you get up close. It's all very misty. It's like a anti-slip and yeah, I don't know how you want to call it. It's like one of those texture paints, as you can see. So many drips and drops and go on. But luckily it's primer, so when it's dry we can all sand that down, maybe give it another coat, and then paint can go over it. So I'm not too worried about that. The inside of the car is still waiting for a layer of paint. Everything is sanded, everything is ready for that. So that can just stay, yeah, like this. So guys, next day, well, new day. Paint is already mixed up. Well, I'm pretty much ready to go. I'm not gonna film this because I don't want my brand new phone to get primer on it. But yeah, you will see the result in a minute. Let's go. We're making so much progress. The inside is of course painted. You have seen that it's all in the gray epoxy primer. Just looks amazing. The thing we need to do today is I need to sand the roof for one last time. Just get every single rust spot away from there. Then the complete side of the car is prepped. The window edges are all prepped. The lower side of the car needs to be yeah, addressed. So let's do a quick rundown with visuals. So over here we have the roof. Pascal, my girlfriend, sanded it yesterday all pretty well. She also sanded this front piece. Looks all pretty decent. I'm just gonna do one quick pass over it again to get any little bit of rust off of there. The other thing we need to do is we need to do the lower side over there of the lower door sill. Then this is all box sanded for now. Just a very quick sand to get good adhesion of the new primer, because of course this primer has been sitting here for a while and you can see the color difference, dirty and white. But except that, this thing is pretty much ready to go for white primer. So what we are gonna do, we're gonna tape off all these door edges. We're gonna tape off the complete front of the car. So we're gonna put a tape line onto here and then just some plastic foil over there. We have one of those rolls with cardboard. We have this one with tape on one side, carpet on the other, of carton, I don't want to call it, I don't know. Just masking paper. We'll see. We'll see how that goes. This is all just brand new, looks very nice. And this thing isn't, it's very echoey. Yeah. guys, I'm fully unmasking her. It looks so good. It looks so crazy good, guys. It's kind of satisfying, by the way, unmasking. Like that. Oh, we do have some overspray over here, I'm seeing. And over there, and over there. But hey, it's primer, so I don't care. It's all still weak, it's still gonna be blue, so who cares? And now, buff. That's out. La 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 la. I'm masking my car in the rain. I was doing it in the rain. It's very shitty weather outside, but we still need to do something today. Plop. Plop. So that's that. Look at that. That's the trunk. The side. Look at how the front looks. This is crazy, guys. I'm so happy with the progress we made just in this one video. I wish all videos were like this. I mean, the side is not fully tight, but I did manage to get that full dent. There was a dent from here to down here, full over that side, and now it's only over here. So that's pretty amazing how we did that. Yeah, I'm just freaking happy. This primer is so thick that it's forming a sheet of just filler over the paint. You can see it on these things, on these flakes you see everywhere. It's just such a thick material. And I did 3 coats, so I have more than enough playroom of sanding and getting it straight before the actual final paint. We do have some bare metal over there, I'm seeing. Just a little freaking corner I missed. I needed to cut that out. Yeah, that's stupid. But hey, we got a brush and we will tip it. When editing, I always find out that my voice is just so excited when doing stuff that went well. Which is of course how it should be, but still funny that you can hear your own enthusiastic voice when editing. And when something goes wrong, I'm just cranky. So, I think that's almost all the tape. The only tape left is the tape over there and over there. But the roof, the inside, the floorboards, everything has color. Some kind of color. All the rust is gone. Every single piece of the car has some kind of paint or primer on there. And I'm just so super, super, super happy. Amazing. So guys, the shop is all cleaned up. Everything is out of here. And the Amazon is primed and it's looking amazing, as you can see. So this is the car. The side looks amazing, roof looks amazing. Everything is super flat and shiny and ready to be sanded and then painted. So I can't be happier. I'm super, super, super hyped on how this is all coming together. I did try to remove most of those little dents from welding. There was a huge one over here that I talked to you guys earlier about, but it's all gone. This corner which I welded is all gone, all very nice. So I'm pretty happy. And this is the last chapter of this shop. So yes, let's So guys, the Amazon is back in the new shop. You can see she's here finally. So that's it's a pretty nice end of our old shop and a great start for the new one. So I have some stuff I still need to order over here, but make some order, how you want to call it. It's very nice weather, so we had a gorgeous trip from the old shop to the new shop with the car in the back. 240 did amazing, so yeah, I'm pretty happy. There she is in all her glory. No dents, no scratches, no anything. Everything went super smooth. And behind my mom's car, we have this. So yeah guys, that was this video. Very much progress on the Amazon, and it's finally in a new shop, so we can hopefully build this thing better than it was when it came out of the factory. And I will see you guys next time. Like, subscribe, and leave a comment, and I will see you guys next time. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.